The High Court has directed the crime branch to register a FIR and investigate role of policemen for allegedly taking haftas from Matka operators. The High Court has ordered to register FIR based on the information given in a PIL criminal writ petition. This petition is filed by activist Kashinath Shetye and others. Crime branch has been directed to file its investigation report before the High Court within 6 months.
Criminal PIL number 1 of 2015. Today the order has been passed that from paragraph in my petition, from paragraph 28 to paragraph 80, which consists of all haftas taken by police, Panjim police station and everybody, and also on 2 newspapers, the FIR should be lodged, and SP crime will investigate into all these hafta matters and who is collecting these haftas, and monitoring is done by the Honorable High Court, and in 6 months, for 6 months time a report should be filed. This Vikram Naik PSI and Rajan Prabhadesai, who is in crime branch, well, how much he was taking haftas for the Panjim police station? 4 police officers were suspended. Within a night, DIG Ranganathan reinstated them. How? What? It came in the paper when nothing was done. That also has to be investigating today. 2 politicians, major politicians in Goa, which are taking at south, 1 politician, which I have said, and 1 north is that politician who are major of the Madka bookie.
Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar said primary education has to be in mother tongue. He said mindset has to be changed, that student cannot get adapted to English medium after doing primary schooling in mother tongue. He stressed that the foundation of education has to be in mother tongue. He was speaking at the induction training program of teachers at Porvorim on Monday.
मातृभाषेतून प्राथमिक शिक्षण हो जगतमान्य सिद्धांत असा आणि हे सरकार त्याच्यापासून फारकत घेना. त्यामुळे प्राथमिक शिक्षण हे मराठीतून आसचे, कोंकणीतून आसचे. हा जेचे पालक इंग्रजीत उलयणारे आसात घरान, ताणे आपले मातृभाषा किंवा पितृभाषा ही इंग्लिश म्हणपाक हरकत ना. You have been specifically appointed with one purpose. सरकारी शाळांनी प्राथमिक स्तरावयल्या शिक्षणावयलो जो विश्वास कमी जाल्लो आसा, तो विश्वास पुनर्स्थापित करपा खातीर you are being appointed.
Meanwhile, agitated primary teachers will hold a dharna at Azad Maidan on Teachers' Day.
की त्यांची सर्विस जी आसा न्ही ती रेग्युलरायज करपाक जाय. दे मस्ट बी रेग्युलरायज इन सर्वीस. त्यांची सर्वीस सेवा आतापर्यंत 9 वर्सांची केल्ली आसा ती कायम करपाक जाय. आणि ह्यो टिचर्स जे आसा दे आर नॉट म्हणजे 12वी जावन D.Ed केलो आणि ते टिचींग करता अशा पद्दतीचे ना. मोस्ट ऑफ देम एक म्हणजे सगळ्यांनीच ग्रॅज्युएशन्स केल्लेले आसा आणि बियॉन्ड ग्रॅज्युएशन कांय जाणांनी पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएशन केल्लेले आसा, कांय जाणांनी इवन LLB सारखे सुद्धा शिक्षण तेंच्यांनी घेतलेलें आसा. ऑल गोवा टिचर्स एसोसिएशन जे आसा, जे एसोसिएशनाची ही सगळी वांगडी आसा, तेंच्यांनी येता ते 5 सप्टेंबरा दिसा जो शिक्षक दिन जो आसा, टिचर्स डे जो आसा पळय, ते टिचर्स डे दिसा सकाळी 10 ते 5 अशें आझाद मैदान पणजी हांगासर एक लाक्षणीक उपोशणाचो जो आसा पळय तो तेजे जे स्टेप जे आसा ती जी कृती आसा न्ही ती हांगासर करपाची ठरयल्ली आसा.
Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Agitated people of Lamani Chaul took a morcha at IDC in Zuarinagar over irregular supply of water. They allege that from past 6 months they are not supplied water. People informed that water supply valve is in the premises of Zuarinagar IDC. Now officials of the IDC have assured regular water supply.
6-7 महिने झाले उदकच येना थंय कॉलनी आणि कंटिन्यू दोनाक बंद करून सोडटा तो. आणि केन्नाय अशें येलो न्हू सकाळी अशें खंय विचारलें न्हू मातशें उदक सोड अशें म्हणून पिवन पेटूच आसता तो केन्नाय कामाचेर. आणि 4-5 फावटी म्हाका सांगितलो तो तुगेलें काम तूं कर म्हणून कॉलनी येवन 3-4-5 फावटी.
पण ऐकना तो
ऐकना आणि डायरेक्ट उलयता.
हमारा तकलीफ आदमी लोग को मालूम नहीं है.
2 घंटे में भैया 400-500 घर को पानी पहुंचेगा.
उदक तांकां दिवपाचें बंद जालां. 6 म्हयन्या डेली कंप्लेन, पण तांकां 1 वर सोड जाल्यार बाकी टायमाक उदकच ना. सो आयज ते सगळे लोक हांगा येयले, म्हाका फोन केलो आनी हांगा यो म्हणून. कितें हांगा यो म्हणून आतां जसो हांव येयला पळय जाल्यार इतलो लोक हांगा जमलो आहा. आयज IDC ऑफिसरां कडेन तेंचे कडेन उलोवन आयज हो प्रॉब्लेम मातसो टेम्पररी सॉल्व केला.
वयर पासून सगळें उदक सारकें पडटलें. हे परत आय डोंट नो कित्याक लागून जाल्लें सगळें, पूण हांव सॉल्व करया तें सगळें.
PWD म्हणटा मिटर चेंज केला म्हणून काय प्रॉब्लेम जालो.
शटडावन मिटर चेंज करून शटडावन जाय न्ही. शटडावन करता आमकां सांगना म्हणटकीर मागीर तो प्रॉब्लेम.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.